like, that's crazy, cause it's like, damn, like, you niggas scared in a bitch, like, you niggas already on the news, on the TV, tipping, like, Crime Stopper, woo, woo, woo. T.I.P. you tipping. Then, like, you niggas doing the most on the internet, every little chance a nigga get, go viral. Oh, I'm gonna woo, 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 pray for him, you know, but, you know what I'm talking about, woo, woo, woo. You feel me? Then, you making songs for, like, nigga lying, like, bitch, you
riding or nothing.
Yeah, like, trying to get in the game, nigga, take your ass out the game, like, right, now nigga talk some shit, like, boy, you really bull, like, you should've made one of your little faggot ass little sons write a rap,
right?
Cause that shit really, like, booted in. That shit really, that shit really, like, booted in, you feel me? Yeah. Man, come on now, dog, like, nigga, trying to call the radio, calling Billboard, them, oh, cancel their music, last time the politician. Like, you niggas really mad cause you niggas can't rap better than me, so y'all really just trying to look, okay, boom, 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 trying to take them out. Like, but anyhow, man, fuck this pussy ass shit. Like, bitch, man, listen, I'm in my own lane. Y'all gotta come to me cause this way y'all come at for the swag, this way y'all come to me for, man, stop playing it, bitch, man.
For real.
This way, I'm talking about this.
Kill my dog.
Time that be ugly as hell, I don't even want to.
And I probably take her.